Recently I read an article wherein a Barbie doll was shown with a glucose monitoring machine and an insulin pump attached to her body, and they had made this doll in order to foster more inclusivity and more empathy amongst the juveniles or the young children suffering from type 1 diabetes. So, this is the plight in today's times, wherein there is an upsurge, a rise in the lifestyle disorders. And speaking about diabetes today, so, diabetes basically occurs in two forms, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, although there are many other rarer forms of diabetes too. So, type 1 is an autoimmune disorder in which the pancreas, that is a gland which is situated near our stomach, is unable to produce insulin. And insulin is an hormone which regulates our blood sugar levels. And in this scenario, when there is a deficient insulin in the body, obviously these individuals have to be on insulin throughout their life. And what homeopathy can offer is, it can help in boosting the immunity, it can help in managing the complications if any, and it really gives that drive to thrive in such individuals. While type 2 diabetes results from disordered lifestyle and also can occur due to some genetic factors, and homeopathy has a major role to offer in type 2 diabetes. And the symptoms include, blurred vision, dizziness, headache, increased frequency of thirst, hunger, urination, then tingling in the hands and feet, slow healing of ulcers and wounds, and many other complications also. So homeopathy, as we all know, is a holistic, and it really addresses the underlying deeper issues, helps in reducing the stress, helps in boosting the immunity, helps in handling the complications, and also it is very safe, and it can be taken with your existing OHAs without any side effects. Okay. And uh, what yogic philosophy has to say is, there is a chakra located at the level of our navel known as the Manipura chakra. Okay. And when energy flows healthily through Manipura chakra, we are able to take challenges with dedication, courage. We are able to enact, execute, work out our ideas. We can be good leaders. We can be of great service to the society. While any disruption or a blocked Manipura chakra results in lack of confidence, inability to act, to execute the ideas, procrastination, laziness, issues like digestion issues, constipation, assimilation problems, and even diabetes. And along with homeopathy, and when we talk about lifestyle disorders, how can we forget about setting a goal of inculcating and incorporating a healthy lifestyle and making it a part and parcel in our daily routine, which includes yoga, meditation, exercise, healthy eating, you know uh, right time to sleep, right time to wake up, and doing everything rightly. So, for more details, please do connect to me. Thank you so much.